Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're going to set Touch ID for Apple Pay now. First, confirm your device supports Touch ID and that iOS is current. Open Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and make sure your desired card is already added and verified by your bank. Next, position your finger cleanly on the home button or sensor area. Make small lifts and rests so the sensor captures edges. Once the sensor recognizes the fingerprint, follow on screen prompts to add additional finger orientations for reliable reads. You'll finish the enrollment by opening Settings, selecting Touch ID and passcode, and authenticating with your device passcode. Tap Add a fingerprint and perform the guided sequence. Rest, lift, and slightly adjust angle so the sensor reads different areas of your finger. Once the fingerprint registers, name it mentally for reference and enable the Wallet and Apple Pay toggle under Use Touch ID for. Make sure you enroll a second finger or the same finger at a slightly different angle. To complete a payment, double-click the side or home button at checkout, choose the card if needed, then rest your enrolled finger lightly on the sensor to authenticate. Don't press. If the sensor doesn't respond, first wipe the sensor and finger, then try the finger at a slightly varied angle. If problems persist, delete and re-add the fingerprint, restart the phone, and confirm the card remains verified in Wallet. And if all else fails, use your passcode or contact your bank or Apple support for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.